Hey guys, recently I picked up the very brand new Gingerbread palette by Too Faced. I think this is $49, but I got mine at Macy's for 15% off. So it came out to be about $41 or so. It's so freaking cute. I love the design. The little imprint is kind of 3D. Here is the back of the box. It comes with this little insert, which has really cool looks. And Too Faced has really upped their game with their little pamphlet things. Back in the day, it used to be extra crappy, but now it's a little bit more sophisticated and better quality photos. Really appreciate this. So for this video, I just wanted to do a quick swatch for anyone interested in seeing what the actual pigments look like on someone that is my skin tone. But I'll kind of touch on what my swatches revealed as I was kind of messing with them a little bit. So here's the exterior, and here's the gorgeous interior. So some of the lighter shades, when they swatch, they're kind of sheer, so I might need a little bit of building up. The three shades over here felt very grainy, but had the best pigmentation along with this gold shade. The other ones were pretty okay shadows, but granted, I have not played with them on my eyes too much. I've just been having a little bit of a swatch party, so once I do play with them, and I will be posting a couple looks using this palette, I will definitely give you guys more of my thoughts as to how they actually do perform in the eyes. But this is what the palette looks like, and let's get into the swatches. That is it for swatches. I hope you guys enjoyed the quick review of what the colors actually look like on my skin tone. Like I said in the intro, I will be doing a few looks using this palette, and of course those will be posted as well. So for anyone interested in purchasing, the color pigmentation looks pretty bomb on my arm. I am light medium skin tone, so I'm pretty sure I won't have any issues, but maybe if you do have a darker complexion, I would highly suggest going in store and touching the colors, seeing if it's actually going to look nice on your skin tone. Some of these colors might be a little bit tricky. Like there's a lot of lighter shades that I wish could have been replaced with something that was a little bit more kind of on the neutral spectrum. But that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.